Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Kung kailan mo man ito napanood, ay please comment down below para alam ko kung kailan mo ito pinanood. Ito po ay part pa rin siya ng psychometric properties and principle sa ating psych assessment, psychometric properties and essential in constructing, selecting, interpreting test. Ngayon po ay tatago tayo sa reliability. Reliability. Pero bago yan, siguro, sige, ito po pa rin is pinagpasiyang kong libro is yung kay Cohen, 9th edition, at saka yung kay Kaplan. Reliability. So, ito. Pero bago yon, siguro i-define muna natin kung ano po yung psychometric reliability. In general, it refers to the consistency of the measurement, not consistently bad or consistently good, but simply consistent. Okay? Ano naman pa yung reliability coefficient. Reliability coefficient is a proportion that indicates the ratio between true score variance and the total variance. Okay? Hahapyawan po natin sa dulo siguro yung about sa variance natin. Ito, describe po, i-ano po muna natin kung ano ang reliability. Reliability is consistency of the test or instrument. Okay? Yan. Reliability, ito po ay test. The test may be reliable in one content but unreliable in other. Okay? Estimate the range of possible random factors that can be expected in an individual score. Reliability is a free from errors. And also, this is a more number of items is equal to higher reliability. Reliability also minimize error. Using only representative sample to obtain an observed score. This consistency of the test is true score cannot be found. Yan. And then, ano naman po, again, reliability, it refers the proportion of total variance attributed to true variance. Kapag tumaas ang reliability, ibig sabihin nun, tataas din po ang proportion of the total variance attribute to true variance, and bababa naman po ang error variance niya. Since true differences are assumed to be stable, they are assumed to yield consistent scores on repeated administration. Okay? Dito po naman tayo sa may classic test theory or true score theory. Through this theory, score on ability test is pressured to reflect not only the test taker's true score on ability being measured but also the error. Error refers to the component of the observed test score that does not have to do with the test taker's ability. Errors of measurement are random. Okay? According to the CTT, the observed score on the test reflect both of true score of the ability and error. Error component of the observed score that does not have to do with the test taker's ability. Ito po ay X is equal to T plus E. Ang X po, meaning po nito ay observed score. Ang T naman po natin, it's simplified to our true score of the ability. Last but not the least, the E is sign for error. Okay? Where variance naman po, variance used to describe the test score ability. True variance is the variance from true differences, and error variance is the variance from irrelative random sources. When you are average all the observed score obtained over a period of time, then the result will be close to the score. The greater number of items, the higher the reliability. Factors that contribute to consistency is stable attributes. Okay? Factors that contribute to the inconsistency is the characteristic of the individual, test, or situation, which have nothing to do with the attribute being measured but also affect the score. Ano naman po ang mga goal ng reliability? Siyempre, estimates error. Second is devise techniques to improve testing and reduce error. Okay? Dito tayo sa variance. Ano nga po ba yung variance? Variance is useful in describing source of the test score's reliability. Ang true variance is the variance from true differences. Ano naman po yung error variance? Variance from relative random. Okay? Ito pong random, ano ba po matatagdag ko? True variances. Yun lang po muna. Sige. Dako na po tayo dito sa may measurement error. Okay? All of the factors associated with the process of measuring some variable other than the variable being measured. First, we have positive can increase one's score, and the negative is decrease one's score. Ano nga po ba yung mga source of error variance? Okay. Una dito is item sampling or content sampling. This is refers to variation among items which the test as well as to variation among items between tests. The extent to which test takers score is affected by the content sampled on the test, and by the way, the content is sampled is source of error variance. Okay? Ano naman po ang test administration according to the measure of error, the source of error invariance? This is a test taker's motivation or attention, environment, and so on. Okay? Ang test scoring and interpretation naman po may employ objective type item unable to computer scoring of well-documented is reliability. Okay. Meron din po tayong tinatawag na random error. Random error is an error caused by unpredictable fluctuations and inconsistency of the other variables in the measurement process. For example, the noise. It is an error that fluctuates from each administration with or without appearance pattern equal to systematically rise or lower the scores. Okay? Ang systematic error naman po is an error that is contrast or proportionate to what is presumed to be true value of the variable being measured. Once known to becomes predictable as well as fixable. Okay? It does not affect the score consistency. Equal does not affect the reliability coefficient because it is confounded with the measurement aspects or tools. Okay? Ito pa yung sinabi ko kanina, yung source of error invariance. Sige, papayawan ulit natin po. Item sampling or content sampling, term used in test construction that refers to variation among items within a test as well as to variation among items between tests. This item sampling is the content to which a test taker's score is affected by content sampled on the test, and by the way the content is sampled. That is, the way in which the item is constructed in a score is a source of error variance. Specific content sampled, the way the item were worded and so on. Ang test administration naman po ay error may influence the test taker's attention or motivation. Reverse reaction to those influence are the source of one kind of error variance. For example, is test environment. Okay? For the test taker's variable, presenting emotional problems or physical discomfort or lack of sleep, and effects of the drug or medication, etc. Yan, okay? While the examiner-related variables naman po, examiner's physical appearance and demeanor, even the present or absence of an examiner are some factor for consideration here. Test scoring and interpretation naman po, test scoring it's regardless of scoring method and techniques, error might still exist. For example, sa ating siguro sa scorer or rater. Ano nga ba yung scorer or rater? This is a source of error when the test is subjectively scored or highly done objective type of test. Okay? Sampling error naman po, it occurs when an analysis does not select a sample that represents the entire population of the data, and the result found in the sample do not represent the result that would be obtained from the entire population. Ano naman po yung methodological error? When the researchers may have or gotten such factor right, but simply did not include enough people in their sample to draw the conclusion that they did. Okay? Siguro po tatapusin ko po muna dito. At ikakat ko po muna to. Kung nakaabot ka po dito sa video kong ito, kung nasan ka naman po ngayon, please comment down below para alam ko po kung saan nakaabot ang aking video na ito. Okay? Thank you!